If you're running a small business, you know it can get extremely expensive, not only from the cost of the products that you're making, but also from the cost of you having to send the products over to your customers. But luckily for you, I found ways to cut those costs down using dollar stores. And today I'm going to be sharing with you my top dollar store finds that have helped me save money within my small business for the past 3 years, but also some tips that will help you with any type of business that you have. If you're new here, you can call me Serene, and let's get right into it. The first thing I'm gonna get into is shipping. If you have physical products, you know that shipping alone costs so much money. Not only do you have to pay for the actual shipping boxes, you have to pay for the bubble mailers, the tissue paper, and not to mention the actual shipping cost. Now, if you go to any dollar stores, you'll find several different shipping items that will help you reduce that cost if you're just starting off. For instance, when I first started with my business, I used to buy tissue paper, boxes, bubble mailers, and all of those things that I use for shipping from the dollar store itself. If you're doing research and you're trying to buy shipping boxes from different companies, you'll notice that they have a minimum order quantity, and most of them require you to purchase as much as 100 boxes or more when you're buying from them. Even though this is convenient for bigger companies, it's not really the best when it comes to small businesses, especially if you're just starting off and you don't know if you're actually going to get 100 different orders. So this is where dollar store comes in, where you'll be able to buy smaller quantities of shipping boxes, bubble mailers, and even tissue papers, so you can ship your items for smaller prices. So if you're just starting off, it is a great investment for your business, not only because you'll be saving money, but also because you'll be able to find little different things that you can use to customize your business packaging. Dollar stores have several different colors of tissue papers. They have gift boxes and gift bags that you can customize based on what you need for your business, and several different other items for shipping. So you just have to look around and see what you find. Something else that I found very helpful and saves me a lot of money when it comes to dollar stores is bags. Whenever I do attend different markets or pop-up events, my customers require bags to carry their items, obviously. So I purchased some of these bags from the dollar store. They have several different colors of the bags that you can use specifically for your business to fit your theme and your color scheme. And again, these are very, very inexpensive because you'll be buying smaller quantities for a smaller amount of money. So if you have a small business that sells physical products and you attend craft fairs or farmers markets, I definitely recommend buying your bags from the dollar store. Dollar stores also have office supplies that you can use for your small business. They have things like poster boards, stickers, picture frames, and several different photography items that you can use if you're taking pictures for your small business. Me personally, I've used several different poster boards from the dollar store to take pictures of my products. I use these as backgrounds when I'm taking pictures inside or outside. You can also use these boards to make signs for your business when you attend your craft fairs. What I recommend is customizing these products for your business branding specifically so that it could fit your theme. And if you don't know, let me be the first to tell you that you can cut the cost of your candle making by using dollar store items. For instance, I have rubbing alcohol that I buy from the dollar store so that I can clean my jars. It's nothing special, it's just regular rubbing alcohol, if this would focus on it. There you go. I've also bought my towels from the dollar store so that I can clean my jars as well, and they're super handy for cleaning products out of my jars and also for cleaning after I've made candles and mistakenly have spilled some wax onto my counter. And on top of that, I've also purchased stirring sticks and stirring spoons to mix my wax, my candle fragrance together. And not only that, I've also bought measuring cups to measure my candle wax, my candle scents, to make sure that I have the specific amounts that I need, and those items are very cheap. And these have been very helpful. Once again, $1.25 for each of those items. Super handy because compared to other companies that sell large quantities, I'm able to buy smaller quantities. I have also found a hole puncher that I've used from the dollar store to make some loyalty cards for my customers. So what I basically did is create a loyalty card for my customers, and once they purchase a certain amount of candles or skincare products, they get one free. The way that I keep track of how many they've bought is by using that hole puncher to punch a hole into the loyalty card every single time that they make a purchase. All they have to do is bring the card with them every time they they attend an event and I'm there to sell to them. I find that this is a great way to encourage customers to come back, and also who doesn't like to get something for free? So every single time that they make a purchase, I make sure to punch that hole into the loyalty card so they can be encouraged to come back and be a repeat customer. And something else that I would also recommend that you buy from the dollar store for your small business are storage items. I have several bins that I've bought from the dollar store to store my candles, my supplies, all the things that I need to make more space in my home. They have several different bins, baskets, and drawers that you can buy so that you can organize your home and your business and remove clutter. And like I mentioned before, if you do attend the pop-up events, craft fairs, maybe farmers markets, I definitely recommend buying some seasonal items from the dollar stores. For springtime, you can buy some flowers so you can customize your table and make it look more appealing to your customers. If it is Halloween time, you can customize your table using some Halloween themed items. If it is Christmas time, you can also do the same thing. They always have seasonal items that they sell for the low. And I feel like every single time that you customize your table to the theme of the month or the theme of the events that you have going around, the holidays you have going around, your customers are more appealed by that and they are more willing to come and see your table and explore a little bit. So make sure you try to find some props at the dollar stores every season that you're attending a farmer's market or a pop-up event. They make great ways for you to save money but also look super professional. So these are some of the items that I've bought from dollar stores over the years to save me money with my small business. I hope these are helpful and saving you some money for your small business as well. And what I recommend is going to any dollar store that's near you and looking around and seeing different ways that you can use different items that they have for your small business. All you have to do is be creative and explore. Let me know in the comments if you find any of these items helpful or if you have anything else that you've purchased from a dollar store to save money for your small business. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Until next time, bye.